this one really gets personal. I mean, the phishing URL contains an info parameter with a decoded email address. And what it does is it dynamically pre-fills the victim's login form. And actually, more interesting, even loads the logo of their email provider. And what you can see here, the title of the page, also that's one of the tactics, session expired, just to make users believe their session has expired, so they need to log in again. So kind of that story. And by the way, we tested this with, as I mentioned, with a Gmail address, and of course it's John Doe. It showed Google branding. So with another provider, it adjusts accordingly. And Auto UI not only triggered these steps, but revealed how the phishing page, personalized itself for maximum trust from the victim. And here is another screenshot from the actual analysis report. And you can see, again, the error rule matches. Again, there is this suspicious VTI around temporary hosting. And also another one is hosted on a recently registered domain. So that's another clue for us. So if the domain is recently registered, that means like that's highly, it can be highly suspicious. And and as you can see, there's another one about obfuscated email address in the URL, and page looks like a login page, which is another suspicious item.